Children, the next topic is when carbon is used as a reducing agent, what is the process taking place on? For example, carbon, hydrogen, if it is reduced by a metal. For example, if a carbon is taken as a reducing agent, the metal oxide, for example, by carbon, reduction by carbon. Reduction by carbon, the metal oxide, for example, zinc oxide, manganese oxide, chromic oxide mixed with carbon, which is in solid state. Both are in solid state mixed with the carbon. And it should be kept in mind that these metals which do not form carbides with carbon, such a way that metals are taken. Already we have seen the reducing agent is selected depending upon the nature of the metal. So the metal oxide what we have selected, it should not form carbides with the carbon. So zinc oxide with carbon forming zinc, metal oxide reduced to metal, zinc plus carbon monoxide gas expelled out. Similarly, manganese oxide, manganese is got and carbon monoxide gas is expelled out. Balancing here 4 carbon, 3 Mn, 4 CO. Similarly, from chromic oxide, chromium we got and carbon monoxide gas is expelled out. Reduction by carbon. Now, if hydrogen is used as a reducing agent, how it is reduced? How the metal oxide is reduced? It is applied for silver, iron, lead, copper that is having less electropositive character than hydrogen. That is, hydrogen means less electropositive means hydrogen, if it is losing electron, that is called as electropositive character. So, silver oxide, Ag2O, treated with hydrogen gas. Silver oxide is a solid. We are getting silver metal is in solid and water, it is expelled out. Similarly, this is silver oxide. Similarly, iron oxide, Fe3O4, heating with the hydrogen gas, forming iron and water molecule expelled. On balancing, similarly, nickel oxide, NiO, which is in solid state. Here, two reducing agents, hydrogen and carbon monoxide. Hydrogen and carbon monoxide jointly, it is called as water gas, forming nickel solid as a metal, carbon dioxide gas and water is expelled out. To nickel oxide, NiO, which is in solid state. This is also solid state. Gas, water gas. Now reduction by metal. Active metals such as sodium, magnesium, calcium can be used as a reducing agent for reducing the metal oxides to metals. For example, boron trioxide B2O3 with Na forming boron plus sodium oxide Na2O. On balancing, similarly, rubidium oxide or B2O3 with magnesium as a reducing agent forming or B metal, rubidium metal plus magnesium oxide is got. Balancing, Similarly, titanium oxide, TiO2, in the presence of a magnesium metal, active metal of reducing agent, forming titanium and magnesium oxide. Similarly, thoria, THO2 with the calcium as one of the reducing agent, forming thorium and calcium oxide is got at 1250 Kelvin. Now, this by a metal, chromium is extracted from chromic oxide. Since chromium extracted from chromic oxide and aluminium, it is called as, since it is extracted from aluminium metal, it is called as aluminothermic process. 2 marks maybe it is asked, what is aluminothermic process? Chromic oxide Cr2O3 mixed with aluminium powder and kept in a fire clay crucible. To start the reduction process, an ignition mixture called barium peroxide and magnesium powder is kept, and a magnesium ribbon is inserted to carry out the reaction. So, barium peroxide, magnesium ignites and forming barium oxide and magnesium oxide, MgO. During this reaction, a large amount of heat is evolved. It is up to 2400 degrees Celsius is generated, and the reaction enthalpy is 852 kilojoule per mole, which facilitates the reduction of chromic oxide by aluminium powder, Cr2O3 plus Al on heating giving Cr plus Al2O3 balancing. So, chromium metal is got with one of the reducing agent, magnesium, and this process is called as aluminothermic process. (2400 degrees Celsius heat is generated, large amount of heat is evolved during this reaction. So this is an important process which is undergone by reduction by a metal. So these are the reduction reactions by carbon, hydrogen, by metal. It's given clearly in book page number 9. Go through the book and whatever questions asked, reply for the questions and send through my number. Don't be as like last year. Many people last year will not watch the video, just spending your time not usefully. This year at least you watch the video, and whatever questions asked, you go through the book, the PDF what I have sent. Twice or thrice you go through the video and go through the PDF, and you can answer the questions what I am going to ask and send through my personal number. Don't waste your time. All the notes, you write it in the note. Keep it safely. When the school reopens, I'll ask the notes. So don't forget, children. It's very easy topic only. Once more you go through the video if you can't understand. And you can also go through the PDF. Mark it in the book. And be happy. Be safe. Obey your parents. Spend your time usefully. Pray every day. It's a must. God-fearing children, God will bless everybody, and you learn the lessons in the given time and spend the holidays usefully. God bless you.